seen an Excel chart that looks confusing or just plain wrong? In today's video, I will show you 5 common chart mistakes people make in Excel and how to fix them. Let's get started. Wait. Please like and subscribe for more of Excel tutorials on this channel. The first mistake I've observed that most people do in Excel chart is using the wrong chart type. I have a video on when to use an Excel chart. The link will be in the description below, so do want to check it out. Our data involves trends and pie chart is meant for proportions, not trends. So let's change this chart to a line chart. You come to your chart design. At the ribbon, this white ribbon, come closer to your right hand side, you will see change chart type. So you click on it, then let's move it so we can see the difference. Then click on a line chart. As you can see, it is clearly showing us what the data is about instead of the way it was clustered. And because our values have minimum difference, so it is not really showing us exactly what the differences are. Always match your chart type with your data. Use line charts for trends and use bar charts for comparison. Note that the number 2 mistake I have here is overloading the chart with too much data. Look at this. It is impossible to read. A better way. So to simplify this, we'll be using the pivot chart. You go to your insert, you click on the pivot chart, then you click on pivot. It says that select a table or range. What you do is that you highlight the data range, then you press your OK. Next you do is that you delete the already created chart. Filter this out by products. Click on your products and you drag it down under your rows. Then the sum of the units sold, you bring it under your values. If it's not showing sum for you, you come here under the drop down to value field settings and you can select whichever one you want. You can see now our data is clear and there you can clearly understand what this chart is saying. Less is more. Always focus on the key insight. The number 3 mistake I have for you today is bad color choices. If your chart looks like a rainbow, it is distracting. These colors are too bright and they are not professional. Click on one of the columns. Ensure that every of the columns is highlighted. Then come here to the chart styles. Click on it and you can see color. Use muted professional colors and your audience will thank you. So don't make these mistakes again. The number 4 mistakes I have is no label or titles on your chart. So how do I know what your chart is about? So let's fix this. So this is axis 1 and axis 2. So it changes. This represents exam scores and this represents student. Double click on it. Another labeling we would like to add is the chart title. You can leave it as exam scores or you can change it to something else you want. Then the next is data labels. This will show you the exact scores of the students. So it all depends on whichever one you want. We have the legend to show you that this color represents the exam scores. This gives much more clarity to your visualizations. Always label your charts properly. It makes a huge difference. The number 5 Excel mistake I observe that people do a lot is ignoring data trends. And how do we fix this? This is very basic, and because there is no more difference between the sales of some months, I can't place the difference. Let's add a trend line to this. Click on your chart and you come to your chart design. Then you come here to add chart element, red line. You choose on, and this shows me those that are below 10,000 and also those that are above 10,000. So this gives much more clarity to a basic line chart. Adding a trend line makes your insights more clearer and more professional. And I'm sure you want to look much more professional, either to yourself or to anybody you are presenting your chart to. Now you know the common Excel mistakes I've observed people do. Have you made any of these mistakes before? Comments below. Please do all to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Have a great one. Bye.